Hello everyone, once again this is Mr. Scholl and we are continuing on with our first lesson of measurement on angles. What we did at the first, if you recall, we looked at the types of angles we've got. Now what we are going to start looking at is relationships between pairs of angles, special relationships between when we look at two angles at once. Now the first one we're going to be looking at is if we have two angles. I'm going to call this first one A, B, and C. And I'm going to give a second angle of C, B, and I am going to call this one D here. And when I put the two angles together, I get a 90-degree angle there. So what I know is that if I have angle A, B, C, which is this one here, plus angle C, B, D, C, B, D, if I add them together, I get 90 degrees. And we call these complementary angles. Okay? We say that they're complementary if the angles that are adjoining each other add to 90 degrees. So in this case, what we can say is a very simple example. If this is 60 degrees, I know that to get to 90, I need 30 degrees. Once again, I'm going to be looking at this, a complementary angle. And what's given in this case is I have 37 degrees, and I want to find this value of x. So I would solve it as x degrees equals 90 minus the 37, and what I get is 53 degrees. And just one more example to hammer this home. I've got two complementary angles here. I know that this one is 76. I know that this one here is unknown, so to find my x, because I know that these two have to equal 90 degrees added together, I can do the x degrees is 90 minus my 76, which would be 14 degrees.